And we have to create one flow here, one XML file that brings a global configuration of the catch exception strategy. So let's here create new Mule configuration file. I put the global exception, and inside of here I'll put the catch exception strategy. Okay. For learning purposes, I'm just gonna put a logger saying, I don't know, error. Just that, yeah. Just to show you guys. You have to use the creativity to set the exception strategies to your flow. And then, okay, I have the exception strategy. So what I have to do to apply them now? I go to one flow, I don't know, the bronze medals. We were working on that. So reference, and you can see that the reference exception strategy. So let's open that error handling here, and we put the reference inside. Inside, I just double click here and select the global exception, and now every time I get an error, I will get that message that comes from the global XML configuration file. Let's see if that works. Let me just, so I just can rename that. I counsel you to change the names of your connectors, the flows and files to better readability. So you can put here the global exception, just for learning purposes, remember that. And yeah, you have to redo this because I renamed it. So let's come here and erase just one letter so I can get the message. And let's change what we have on the logger of the error. Let's put testing error global. I don't know, just that. Let's save this. Oh yeah, my project was running. Let me stop and run it again. Let's type the bronze medals. Okay, the path it's get most bronze medals. Copy that, and we should get the response 40440. I don't know, 400. I don't know, but with the message in console showing error testing global. Let's check that. Erase that. Click here. Oops. Okay. So we get an error on the screen on the browser, but on the console, oh sorry, we get the see. So if you made a global exception for any kind of your errors, you can reference that on your XML files. That way you don't get your flows with a lot of things with visual pollution or something like that. This is a little bit, but I hope you can learn how to organize and play with the exception strategies and make more things on your global flows. Okay, I see you guys in the next lesson, and bye bye.